Friedrich August von Hayek was born on May 8, 1899 in Vienna, Austria. He came from an academic family with a strong interest in science and humanities. His father was a doctor and botanist, and the family had strong intellectual connection. This environment greatly influenced young Hayek in shaping his intellectual views from an early age. After World War I, Hayek continued his education at the University of Vienna, where he studied law and social science. He earned his doctorate in law and political science. During his college years, Hayek became interested in economic issues, particularly after witnessing the economic chaos and hyperinflation that hit Austria after the war.
In the early 1920s, Hayek began working under the guidance of Ludwig von Mises, a highly influential economist in the Austrian economic tradition. From there, Hayek began to absorb ideas about free market and strategic of socialism. He became one of Mises' main followers and later became a central figure in the development of Australian economic theory. In 1931, Hayek moved to London after receiving an invitation from Lionel Robbins to teach at the London School of Economics. There became widely known among economists through his work criticizing the ideas of John Maynard Keynes. One of his most famous works at the time was Price and Production, which explained the impacts of monetary policy on the business cycle.
The intellectual disputes between Hayek and Keynes became one of the most famous economic debates of the 20th century. While Keynes emphasized the need for government intervention to stabilize the economy, Hayek warned that such intervention could lead to market distortion and the loss of individual freedom. After World War, the popularity of Keynesians increased rapidly and Hayek either temporarily faded. However, Hayek did not stop writing and spreading his ideas about the importance of economic freedom. In 1944, he published the book The Road to Serfdom, which became highly influential and warned of the danger of totalitarian rising from centralized economic planning.
Throughout the following decades, Hayek continues to read and teach in various renowned universities, including Chicago and Ferry. He expanded the scopes of his thinking, not only in economics but also in political philosophy and law. His works, including the Constitution of Liberty 1960 and the trilogy Law, Legislation, and Liberty 1973 1979 demonstrate his commitment to the principles of a free society. Friedrich Hayek passed away on March 23, 1994. Freiburg, Germany. His legacy lives on through his contribution to the theory of free market economics and classical liberal in 1974. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics along with Gunnar Myrdal in recognition of his contributions to business. Pearsall theory and analysis of the importance of information in market process is remembered as a campaign of individual freedom and capacity of overly dominant state power.